Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a payment link in Razorpay guys. Actually really easy and simple to do this. You can create two types of payment links in Razorpay guys. You can create the standard payment link or the UPI payment link. I'm going to show you first how you can create a standard payment link. First of all guys, for both of them, you need to do this from your dashboard. So first things first, log in to the Razorpay dashboard guys. You're going to log into that page right there and then go to the payment product section and just click on payment links, guys. Okay, just click on payment links, and then what I want you to do is do this: click on create payment link, and just choose standard payment link, and then just enter the required details in the standard payment link pop-up page. Yeah, they're going to ask you your amount, which is important and mandatory. You need to fill in the amount. For example, you need to select the currency like rupees, then you can enter 1,000 for 1,000 rupees, and then you can also accept payments, guys, in international currencies. It doesn't have to be just rupees, okay? So, and then the payment for, which is optional, you can enter a description here. For example, here they mention the school fees, okay? Now, customer detail, this is also optional. You can put that. You can enter the customer's email and phone number, for example, the number right there and the email. You can choose to notify via email. You can select this option if you want to send the email payment link to the customer. But this is only available if you enter the customer's email. You can also notify via SMS, the same thing as the email. If you want to send the payment link via SMS, only also available if you have entered the customer's phone number. And of course, guys, you can put in a reference ID. You can provide, a unique reference number for the link. For example, we have your ADBB001 and then link expiry, guys, a time and date which the payment link should expire. And you can also add additional notes for internal notes, guys, the title, the company name, description. You just review the details and click create payment link. Okay, guys? So that's the payment link for, specific people. You can also create a UPI payment link, guys. So what you do, all right, the same thing. Instead of a standard payment link, you just do the same thing. You navigate to payment links, click on create payment link, and just click on the UPI payment link instead, guys. So this is also important. You just select the currency again, the payment. You just have to enter the description. You can put in customers' details here. You can also choose how you want to notify them, email, SMS. You can put a reference ID, guys, and link expiry. Basically the same thing. The only difference is you choose UPI payment method. So it's actually that easy and simple. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and of course, make sure you